The highest elected official of LP is Vice President Robredo. And yesterday she announced na she's willing to sit down over dinner or lunch with President Duterte with the family get-together. Ano po ba ang inputs ng LP in terms of advice to her?
You know, si Vice President Leni, she was the wife of Mayor Jessie Robredo, and Mayor Jessie was mayor for 18 years. So kung political lang ang pinag-uusapan, ay mas malawak pa ang experience niya sa mas marami sa amin sa
indirectly.
Yes, pero it cannot be more, diba? It cannot be more, diba, babad than that dahil asawa ka ng mayor. So you know the politics, you are familiar with the political how do you call it, dynamics. So hindi na, in that sense, it's her call, no, as Vice President. And sa akin, why it's just a dinner, parang bakit naman palalakihin pa natin, di ba? May mas maraming mahalagang dapat pag-usapan sa ating bansa. And that dinner is you know, it's a social gathering. So nangyayari naman yan as among and between politicians, no?
Yeah.
So sa akin, it's no big deal, ika nga.
So you're open, I mean, you're gonna support whatever the Vice President agrees or what, to cooperate with the President in the next few months?
Well, no. Ang mangyayari naman kasi dyan, of course, I don't know ano yung pag-uusapan nila. But si Vice President Leni naman has always been a participative in her leadership style. So, kung ano man ang pag-uusapan nila doon, hindi naman niya i-commit basta-basta. She will also
consult with you,
yes, discuss
the party,
with the party.
Being the highest elected
That is
official.
correct.